Today, we will be taking a look at velocity and acceleration. Velocity, or v, is a formal method of defining speed using magnitude and sign of direction. Let's take a look at an example. Let's say there's a boat sailing along the seas. This boat is traveling in the right at 10 meters per second. Speed is defined, given as 10 meters per second. However, velocity is not. Using the frame of reference, we are able to determine that the boat is moving in the positive or right direction, which is the first component, and now 10 meters per second, the second component, combined for velocity is equivalent to positive 10 meters per second. Let's take a look at this using the math behind this concept. The variables given are x for position and t for time. Average velocity can be determined as the change in position over the change in time. In terms of calculus, this is the derivative of position with respect to time. Furthermore, we can take a look at acceleration, the next step in the process. The variables are once again x for position, t for time, but now we add v for velocity. Acceleration, using the same delta process, is the change in velocity over the change in time, or the derivative of velocity with respect to time. However, we can also take a look at this using the same process as before with the same exact variables. That way, we don't have to look at new variables. This can also be given as d over dx times the derivative of position with respect to time. From here, we are given the final form of this method.